In today's video, we will explore the best air fryers available on the market, focusing on how they can transform your cooking experience. Air fryers have gained immense popularity due to their ability to prepare healthier meals with less oil, making them a fantastic addition to any kitchen. They not only provide a crispy texture, similar to traditional frying, but also significantly reduce cooking time, allowing you to enjoy delicious meals without the guilt. Our aim is to offer you informative insights that will help you make an educated decision when choosing the right air fryer for your needs. It's essential to consider your individual cooking habits and the available space in your kitchen, as air fryers come in various sizes and features. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious individual, or someone who loves experimenting with new recipes, selecting the right air fryer can enhance your culinary adventures. Join us as we delve into the top options and guide you toward making the best choice for your kitchen. Air fryers are essentially compact convection ovens designed to circulate hot air around food, creating a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender. This innovative cooking method allows for healthier meal preparation, as air fryers require significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods, reducing overall fat content without sacrificing flavor. One of the standout advantages of using an air fryer is the time-saving benefit. They preheat quickly and cook food faster, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Beyond just frying, air fryers offer versatility in the kitchen, allowing you to roast vegetables, bake desserts, and even reheat leftovers with ease. This multifunctionality means you can experiment with a variety of dishes, from crispy chicken wings to perfectly roasted potatoes, all in one appliance. With their ability to deliver delicious results while promoting healthier eating habits, air fryers have become a staple for many home cooks looking to simplify their meal preparation without compromising on taste.
In this segment, we will introduce our ranking of the top 5 air fryers based on extensive testing and evaluation. To determine the best options, we considered several key criteria, including ease of use, cooking results, versatility, and overall performance. Each air fryer was assessed on how user-friendly it is, from setup to cleanup, as well as the quality of the food it produces. Our list is designed to cater to a variety of kitchen sizes and cooking styles, ensuring that there's an option for everyone, whether you have a compact kitchen or a spacious culinary setup. We understand that each cook has unique preferences and requirements, so we encourage you to reflect on your specific needs when selecting an air fryer. Whether you prioritize quick meals, healthy cooking, or multifunctionality, our rankings will help guide you toward the perfect choice that aligns with your culinary goals. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of each top contender.
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer stands out for its low maintenance and user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for beginners in the kitchen. With intuitive controls and a straightforward setup, even those new to air frying can quickly master its functions. This versatile appliance excels not only in air frying but also in roasting, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. Whether you're cooking crispy fries or perfectly roasted vegetables, the Ninja air fryer delivers impressive results. One of its standout features is the quick cleanup process. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, making post-cooking maintenance a breeze. Additionally, this air fryer is particularly suitable for less delicate foods, ensuring that you achieve that desired crunch without worrying about overcooking. Overall, the Ninja 4-quart air fryer combines convenience, versatility, and efficiency, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for those looking to simplify their cooking experience while enjoying delicious meals. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a powerhouse in the kitchen, boasting a large capacity that allows you to cook a variety of dishes simultaneously, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. With its spacious interior, you can easily fit a whole chicken or multiple trays of vegetables, ensuring everyone is fed in one go. This versatile appliance features multiple cooking modes, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating, which enhances its functionality and makes it suitable for a wide range of culinary tasks. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a full meal, the Breville Smart Oven can handle it all with ease. However, it does come with a higher price point, which reflects its advanced features and robust construction. This makes it particularly suitable for serious cooks who are looking to invest in a reliable, multifunctional appliance that can elevate their cooking experience. Overall, The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a worthy addition for those who prioritize quality and versatility in their kitchen. The Quinnart Pro 5-quart air fryer impresses with its user-friendly controls, making it accessible for cooks of all skill levels. The intuitive interface allows for easy temperature and time adjustments, while built-in safety features, such as an automatic shutoff, provide peace of mind during cooking. When it comes to performance, this air fryer excels in air frying, delivering crispy and delicious results with minimal oil, making it a healthier option for your favorite fried foods. Additionally, the non-stick basket and removable parts simplify the cleaning process, ensuring that maintenance is quick and hassle-free. However, it's important to note that the Quinnart Pro LE has some limitations in cooking methods compared to other models. While it primarily focuses on air frying, it lacks the versatility of multifunctional appliances that offer additional cooking options like baking or dehydrating. This makes it a great choice for those who primarily want an air fryer, but may not be ideal for users seeking a more comprehensive cooking solution. Overall, it's a solid option for straightforward air frying needs. The Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 XL Air Fryer is designed for efficiency, boasting fast cooking capabilities that significantly reduce meal prep time. With multiple cooking modes, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating, this versatile appliance caters to a wide range of culinary needs, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of its standout features is the dual drawer design, which allows for the simultaneous cooking of different foods, enabling you to prepare a complete meal without the need for multiple appliances. This innovative feature is particularly useful for busy families or those who enjoy meal prepping. Cleaning the Ninja Foodie is also a breeze, as the non-stick drawers and accessories are dishwasher safe, simplifying post-cooking maintenance. However, new users may encounter a slight learning curve due to the variety of functions and settings available. Familiarizing yourself with the different modes and features can take some time, but once mastered, the Ninja Foodie offers an unparalleled cooking experience that enhances both convenience and flavor in your meals. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer is renowned for delivering superior cooking results, particularly when it comes to fries and chicken wings, achieving that perfect crispy texture that many crave. Its innovative design features a clear cooking window, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the appliance, which helps maintain optimal cooking conditions. Additionally, the built-in odor filter effectively minimizes cooking smells, making it a great choice for indoor use. This air fryer offers 6 versatile cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, catering to a variety of culinary needs. However, users may find that some experimentation with cooking times and temperatures is necessary to achieve the best results for different recipes. Each dish may require slight adjustments to ensure optimal flavor and texture, which can be part of the learning process. Overall, the Instant Vortex Plus combines convenience and performance, making it an excellent option for those looking to elevate their cooking while enjoying delicious, healthier meals. In this video, we explored the numerous benefits of using air fryers, highlighting how they can transform your cooking experience by providing healthier meal options with less oil and faster cooking times. We reviewed several top models, including the Ninja 4-quart air fryer, Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, Quinnart Pro LE 5-quart air fryer, Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 XL air fryer, and Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 air fryer, each offering unique features tailored to different cooking needs. As you consider which air fryer is right for you, think about your specific cooking habits, kitchen space, and the types of meals you enjoy preparing. Your choice should align with your culinary goals to ensure you get the most out of your investment. We encourage you to engage with us by liking this video, sharing it with fellow cooking enthusiasts, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to enhance your cooking journey.